Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your Potter Airlines bookings. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to manage your Potter Airlines bookings. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to www.flypotter.com. On the home page, hover over the Manage Flight tab, which is in the top menu here. So click on manage flight, and once you click on that, the next thing you're going to click on from these tabs is to click on my bookings. And once you click on my bookings, it's going to take you to the my bookings window where you can now manage all of your bookings. So here we go, my bookings. I do not have a booking, past booking, upcoming bookings. I do not have any, but if you do, you're definitely going to find them here. So once you find your booking, that's once your booking is displayed, you will see a variety of options to manage your reservations. Yes, once you have found your booking from here, upcoming or past or cancelled, you will see a variety of options to manage your reservation. Now you can do the following. You can change or cancel your flight by modifying the date or time of your flight, or just go ahead and cancel the booking subject to fair rules and applicable fees. Or you can select or change the seats, so you can update your seat selection or choose a different seat. And you can add baggage, that means add checked baggage or upgrade your baggage allowance. Or you can upgrade your fare class. If eligible, you can upgrade your fare class from economy to premium. And you can add services. So purchase additional services such as travel insurance or special accommodations. And the next thing that you can do is to change your passenger details. So modify any passenger information if allowed. Now, once you're done with all of those, select the option you wish to modify, either change flight or add baggage. Then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the changes. For example, if you are changing your flight, select a new date or time from the available flights. Review any fare differences and fees and confirm your changes and proceed to payment if applicable. Now, after making any modifications, review the summary of changes. If there are any additional charges for seat upgrades, baggage, or flight changes, enter your payment details and click confirm. Once the changes are processed, you will receive a confirmation page detailing your updated booking. An updated email confirmation will also be sent to you with the new details of your reservations. And that's it. Your Potter Airlines booking is now successfully managed and updated. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.